Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to discuss about what is array and what are the types of array, advantages, disadvantages, and applications in array. So start with the what is the array. Array is in Java. Array is the most important data structure. It is also used by the other data structures like hash table, set, etc. So array is a finite and order. Array is a finite and order collection of homogeneous data. It is a finite because it contains the number of limited number of elements in a Java. Then it is a order because it can store one by one in a continuous memory in a computer. So it is homogeneous because all elements of an array are of the same data type. It cannot be changed. It can be primitive or non-primitive data types. So we can store only a fixed number of elements in an array. An array is an index-based programming language. It means if you are declaring 6 elements in an array, then the first element starts with the 0th index, and the second element starts with the first index. That all about the index-based array. Then array is an object of a dynamically generated class. It is an inherit object class and implements the serializable, and we can store the primitive values or objects in an array. In C or C++, we can also use a single dimensional or multi-dimensional array in a Java. Then let's talk about the what is the advantages and disadvantages of the array. So first is advantages. First is code optimization. You can optimize your code and you can retrieve or sort the data. Second is random access. You can access any number in array. Then let's talk about the disadvantages of array. So disadvantages is the size limit. In array, there is a fixed size of array. You cannot change in a size because size is a fixed. Then let's talk about what are the types of array. First is a single dimensional array. Second is a multi-dimensional array. In single dimensional array, is a type of a linear type of array. It is accessing the elements involves a single elements. There are the single square brackets. The syntax of the single dimensional array is data type name, square brackets, then equal to, then new, then data type, and size in a square bracket. There is a mandatory to declare a size in array. because if you don't declare if you don't declare size in array, that time you will get compile error. You must declare size in array. Then multi-dimensional array. In multi-dimensional array, there are many dimensions in the array. Multi-dimensional array, it performs the operations with row and columns. Then for loop in array. You can use for loop for print each element present in the array. You can print any element by using the for loop. Then let's talk about the what are the default values of an array. When you can create a new object, that time the default values are initialized. If an array of the type integer, byte, long, double, that default value is a 0. If an array of boolean, that default type is false. If an array of object, that default value is a null. If an array of a float or double, default value is a 0. That all about the default values of an array. Then Jag array is also there in Java. What is a Jag array? Jag array is if you creating odd numbers of a column, that is called as a Jag array. So let's see what are the applications of array in Java. So array is used to store multiple values in a single variable. Then array is faster to access the random numbers. Then array is used to store multiple values in a single variable. That are the applications of an array. So in this video we have discussed about the what is the array, what are the types of array, then uses of array, then default values, which default values are declared in Java. Then Jag array also we have learned in short. That all about the arrays. Thank you.